Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring a crucial and fascinating topic that has shaped the dynamics of modern warfare, the use of drones in the Ukraine war. Over the last few years, drones have revolutionized how battles are fought, offering real-time intelligence, precision strikes, and devastating surveillance capabilities. In the Ukraine conflict, both sides have deployed various types of drones, each with its own strengths, unique technologies, and tactical significance. From high-endurance surveillance UAVs to kamikaze-style loitering munitions, drones have become the silent warriors of the skies, altering strategies and saving lives on both ends of the battlefield. One of the most recognized drones in this conflict is the Bayraktar TB2, a medium-altitude long-endurance drone developed by Turkey. With its sleek, fixed-wing frame and a 12-meter wingspan, it carries a pusher propeller in the rear and advanced camera and targeting systems beneath its body. Inside, the TB2 features high-grade avionics, autopilot systems, and encrypted communication links. It can fly for over 27 hours, reach altitudes of 27,000 feet, and has a range exceeding 150 kilometers. Its performance is not just in endurance but also in precision. It carries smart munitions like MAML and MAMC, making it a formidable strike drone. It also includes emergency return to base and redundant systems that enhance its safety and reliability under combat conditions. What makes the Bayraktar TB2 truly unique is its battlefield record. It has been proven effective in several modern conflicts, including Syria and Libya, and now it plays a vital role in Ukraine. Costing around $5 million per unit, it delivers exceptional value for its capabilities. Another notable drone is the Switchblade 300 from the United States. Unlike conventional drones, this one is designed to be portable, launched from a tube, and fits inside a backpack. It has folding wings and a built-in warhead, giving it the appearance and function of a guided missile. Internally, it uses GPS and advanced navigation systems, allowing it to lock onto both stationary and moving targets. With a flight time of around 15 minutes and a range of up to 10 kilometers, the Switchblade is a perfect close-range loitering munition. It also includes a mission abort capability, allowing operators to call off strikes mid-flight, an essential safety feature to avoid civilian casualties. Its unique selling point is its kamikaze design. It's built to crash into the target and detonate, making it an effective tool for frontline units. Each unit is highly cost-effective, priced around $6,000. Among the more controversial drones used in this war is the Shahed 136, an Iranian-made drone now deployed by Russian forces. It features a delta-wing design and is known for its ability to be launched in large numbers, often overwhelming enemy defenses. The internal system is basic but effective, relying on GPS and inertial navigation for long-range targeting. This drone doesn't carry sophisticated internal tech, but its low cost and endurance of over 2,000 kilometers make it a valuable asset. It travels slowly but steadily, at around 185 kilometers per hour. Although it lacks advanced safety features, its affordability allows it to be deployed in swarms, creating a numbers advantage on the battlefield. The estimated cost of each unit ranges from $20,000 to $40,000, making it a strategic choice for saturation attacks. The RQ-20 Puma is another American drone that has proven useful in the Ukrainian conflict. It's a lightweight, hand-launched surveillance drone, ideal for real-time reconnaissance. Its frame is compact with a wingspan of just under 3 meters, making it easy to deploy quickly. Inside, the Puma features both electro-optical and infrared cameras, with live data streaming and GPS-supported navigation. It can remain airborne for approximately 2.5 hours and has a maximum range of 15 kilometers. Its safety features include soft landing capability and encrypted communications to avoid hacking or interception. What sets the Puma apart is its role. It is not meant to strike but to inform, offering commanders eyes in the sky to make tactical decisions. A complete system, including the drone and its control unit, costs around $250,000. The Russian Orlan 10 is another key player. This drone features a simple, fixed-wing design with a wingspan just over 3 meters. It has a distinctive engine hum and is often seen flying high above the battlefield. Internally, the Orlan 10 carries multiple payloads, cameras, signal jammers, and even communication relays, allowing it to serve several functions at once. It can stay in the air for 14 to 16 hours and has an effective range of around 120 kilometers. The safety systems include return-to-base programming and high-altitude flight to avoid short-range anti-air weapons. What makes the Orlan 10 stand out is its versatility. It can guide artillery strikes, conduct electronic warfare, and provide valuable surveillance. Each unit is relatively affordable, costing about $100,000. Poland's Warmate drone has also seen use in Ukraine. This drone resembles a small cruise missile and serves as a loitering munition. Its exterior is designed for low detectability, and it can carry different types of warheads. Internally, the drone is equipped with navigation systems and sometimes even AI for target identification. Its flight duration is about 70 minutes, and it can strike targets up to 30 kilometers away. One major safety advantage is the ability to abort missions mid-flight. Its unique selling point is that it fills the operational gap between surveillance UAVs and large strike drones. At an estimated cost of $20,000 to $30,000, it offers flexibility and affordability. Finally, the PD-1 is a Ukrainian-made UAV that reflects the country's growing drone development capabilities. It features a twin-boom airframe with a wingspan of 3.2 meters and is usually launched via catapult. The interior houses HD cameras, an autopilot system, and encrypted data transmission. It can stay in the air for around 12 hours and has a range of 100 kilometers. It includes return-to-base protocols and jamming-resistant communications, which are crucial for operating in contested airspace. What makes the PD-1 special is that it's a domestic solution, allowing Ukraine to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers while adapting to local conditions. The price ranges from $100,000 to $150,000, depending on the configuration. These 7 drones each play a unique role in the ongoing war. Some, like the Bayraktar TB2 and Orlan 10, serve as powerful multi-role platforms. Others, like the Switchblade 300 and Shahed 136, are designed for single-use destructive strikes. Surveillance drones like the RQ-20 Puma and PD-1 provide critical intelligence, while the Warmate fills the tactical niche between recon and strike. Together, they demonstrate how unmanned aerial systems have transformed the battlefield, reducing human risk, increasing precision, and introducing entirely new strategies. The future of warfare is unmanned, and Ukraine has become a proving ground for drone technology that will influence military doctrines for decades to come.